got a cool story about this truck that I want to tell you. Remember back around the holidays of 25, we did the great Supercharger refund. All the purchases of Supercharger kits through the holiday season would qualify for a chance at a refund. You're looking at the winner. This is David Lee's 23 F-150. It's a crew cab Lariat V8 four-wheel drive. And he purchased a Stage 2 Whipple Supercharger kit for it, and then subsequently got the refund. So with that money that got freed up, there's a KPM fuel system that's gone in the truck, there's custom tuning, it's on E85. It's a really great journey. So we're gonna take you on it. Let's get the truck up on the dyno for a baseline pull, and then we'll tell you some more. Truck picked up like 400 horsepower and still drives like a stock truck, and it's just absolutely insane. As you've seen, you saw the baseline pull, middle 300s, now it makes middle 700s. With 4 doors, you can carry around the family, you can load up plywood, and you could also lay down the hate on somebody at a red light. It's a dream situation. And then you add to the mix that David got the refund deal from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas holidays. Dude, dream come true. So now that we're all finished up, we're gonna get this truck in David's hands. I'm sure I've had a blast driving it. I'm sure he's gonna have a blast. David, congratulations, man.
Thanks so much, man.
So how did it feel to get the phone call about a free blower?
Freaking amazing. I just woke up and it was Rick on the phone telling me I won, and I'm like, excuse me, what? It was just Christmas miracle.
Yeah, right. So for those of you that aren't familiar, we did the Supercharger refund. We called it the Great Supercharger Refund for the holiday season. It's Black Friday, Christmas, through that entire season. Every Supercharger kit purchase qualified for an opportunity to have your purchase refunded. David here won it, and now his truck makes more in gap between stock to what it makes now than what it originally did stock. It picked up over 400 wheel horsepower. So, dude, be super careful. I want to do more business with you in the future, right? But enjoy this thing. I mean, haul some lumber and some ass.
Yeah,
it's gonna be a good time.
Definitely.
Thanks, man.
Thanks
we
so much,
appreciate
man.
your business and
of
support.
Course.
Woo!
Nice. All right.
So that is the Stage 2 Gen 6 kit. Now it has, we pulled it down so your big party number is on the 3.5 pulley.
Yeah.
I know that you're back on the 3.875 now, but it is on E85 right now. This additional wiring here is for your KPM fuel system, so it's actually got its own standalone power source to help run that fuel system. But yeah, man, low maintenance. It'll be super easy to take care of. We've already broken in the blower, so to speak. We do the runtime, the heat cycles to get it good to go. So you're good to just go ahead and jump on the road and drive this thing, man.
Can't wait to party. All right.
If you're interested in more content like this, or you want to transform your ride, give us a call at 321-206-9369. Email us at sales@vmpperformance.com, or like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.